This is going to be a video tutorial on how to always restore your previous session in the Thorium Web Browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Thorium Web Browser opened up now. To set your browser to always restore your previous session, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on this page it opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Startup. Then on the center pane, under On Startup, it gives you three options. Open the New tab page, the middle one, Continue where you left off, or the bottom one, Open a specific page or set of pages. If you want to restore your previous session, you want to toggle on the middle one, like you see mine's toggled on, Continue where you left off. Now if you have this toggled on and it's not saving your previous session, that means that something's going on with your browser. Your browser is hanging and not closing. Something such as that, you have to Google search the issue. But that is how to always restore your previous session in the Thorium Web Browser. Thanks for watching.